Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to Pearl TV if you are watching this in my YouTube channel, and welcome back to Pearl TV Official if you are watching this in my FB page. And guys, I would just like to remind you that Pearl TV Official already has a subscribe button. And if you're about to click the subscribe button, you're about to pay the amount for the subscription, right? Okay, and if you subscribe to my channel, where will be the subscription fee will go, okay? So guys, for your information, if you're about to pay 55 pesos for the said subscription, the amount will go to Meta, and then it's Meta who will give me the percentage or the commission, okay? Kasi Meta is using me as the tool for them to earn. At the same time, they will be giving me a sort of commission, right? Okay, and this afternoon I'm going to take my rest, and then ayan, this is a sort of relaxation for me. Medyo hindi nag-aanong pa si Mamshi, and I would love to stay and enjoy. Kasi maraming nakaabang na mga sideline ko na gagawin ko. Pero sabi ko, I would prefer singing because I do really miss singing, and I got inspired early morning. Okay, so let's sing Too Much Love Will Kill You. Actually, this song is pinakilala to ni Jovi dito sa Philippines. And as it started, that Jovi passed away last year, I think. But this is the legacy of him in the music industry of the Philippines. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Ooh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. The tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I was wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Turn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. All I ever do is bring you down. Ooh, how would it be for stranded and not through? Have you seen it? It's impossible to choose. But there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh yes! Too much love will kill you, 'cause it sure is not at all. It'll drain the power that's in you, make you bleed and scream and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy, and a victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Shout out Mrs. Abby and UK. Shout out Ma'am AS Mix Vlog. In Sister Rana Dilio, Mami, Discarding Mom. Ang meron na Master Yaki Shari Lifestyle. Atitan in Tacloban.
This too much love will kill you to make a life alive. This too much love will kill you. I won't understand why. You give your life, sell your soul, but here it comes again. Too much love will kill you. In the
Mega love shoutout to all. Salamat sa mga kaibigan natin na lagi nakasuporta kay Pro TV Official and Pro TV and Smart by Pearl. Bye and thanks for watching. Love you all guys. God bless.